Not yet, Santa.
Oh, hello, Jade. How wonderful to see you with my portable North Pole console. We have something very special to show you.
Ready?
Wonderful. Every year, Mrs. Claus builds beautiful Christmas villages. This year, she made this one especially with you in mind. Let's explore the village with your magical ticket. Are you ready? Jade, Mrs. Claus named this train station after you. Now let's see what other surprises we'll discover inside your train. Look at you. You're 9 years old, aren't you? And you go to school. Let's start your train ride and explore the village. Hinata, let's get this train going. Hinata, why aren't we moving? Jade? Hinata needs your help to decide which way to go. Do you want to follow the candy cane track or the snowman track? Wonderful. Let's see what we'll discover on the snowman track. The whole village has been decorated with you in mind. Jade, these snowmen must know that. You really like crafts. Oh, my elves want to be part of your album. Jade, we've reached a very special place. In my library, I keep a big book about every child in the world. This one is yours. It tells me all about you. Oh, you have a lot of fun when you're playing sports. Jade, I know this year you've been asked to try your best when you're in school. Do you think you've tried hard enough? It seems there's a special gift you would really like to get this year, but I wouldn't want to spoil the surprise. It's now time for the last step of our journey. Hinata, are you ready? Jade? Let's find out if you made it onto my nice list. Pay close attention. What happens next will tell us if you've made it onto my nice list. Oh, wonderful. Jade, you made it onto my nice list. It was great to share this magical train ride with you. Mrs. Claus, the elves, and I are very proud of you. Keep up the good work. Merry Christmas! Ho, 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 ho!